Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to create a messenger account without Facebook. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to create messenger account without Facebook. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, make sure that you've updated your messenger application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you'll have to open up your messenger application. As you open up your messenger application, and in case if you already have an account or logged in into your device, then the interface might appear something like this. So in order to create a new account, you'll have to tap on the profile icon, which is in the top left corner. On the other page, you'll have to scroll down right to the bottom, and right in between you'll find an option such as switch account, so then tap on it. Once you tap on it, on the other page, in case if you have multiple accounts on your device, then the interface might appear something like this. So over here you can see right at the bottom there is create new account, so you'll have to tap on it. Unfortunately, there is no such method as creating your messenger account without Facebook. By default, you will be directed into a sign up page of Facebook. So first of all, you'll have to create a new Facebook account, only then you'll be able to create messenger account. You can see over here you'll have to sign up, so for that you'll have to enter your information that includes your first name and your last name. And after you're done, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. On the other page, you'll have to select your date of birth, so make sure to select it correctly. Moving on the other page, you'll have to provide your contact information, so you can either enter your phone number or you can either sign up with email address. So in case if you want to use phone numbers, so then type in your phone number, and in case if you want to sign up with email, so then tap on sign up using email address, which is right at the bottom. Once you tap on it, on the other page, you'll have to provide your email address, so make sure to enter the correct one. And once you're done entering your email address, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. Next page, you'll have to select your gender, so then select it accordingly. And once you're done, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. On the other page, you'll have to create a password, so make sure to create a strong password. Once you're done creating a password, tap on sign up, which is right in between. On the other page, there's a confirmation, so then tap on login as the following username. In order to confirm your identity, a verification code will be sent, so then tap on continue, which is right in between. Now what you have to do next is that you'll have to check your email address for the verification code, and once you're done entering your verification code, tap on continue. On the other page, you can either add a profile picture or you can just simply skip this part, so then tap on next in the top right corner. Out here you can see that my messenger account has been created, and that is how you can create your messenger account on your device. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.